When we first met, you gave me hope, like a role model or a big brother. We never got to know each other that well, but I deeply, truly miss you. I long for the people we were then. How could this muted, uncaring sky ever speak kindly of us? I heard you died with a knife in your back and a smile on your face. I miss our budding friendship like I'd miss an old home. I lived there, and now this life can never be the same. Goddamn the sun, goddamn the sun, goddamn the light it shines, and this world it shows. Goddamn the sun.